What we are saying here is counties have functions which are gazetted. National government also has specific functions. Now, when we see functions that are actually devolved and we have specific budget items, which definitely has an impact on whatever goes to counties. Proper budget consideration is why can't we have, like for example, the 29.7 billion, it will be proper for functions which are devolved and we have attendant resources to be taken to counties. We have no issue by the way with bursaries, Honorable Seka. In fact, if there is any, if there's anything that we are very happy about is the bursaries to be consolidated and addressed by the national government, so that if there is any specific county that we still want to progress with paying bursaries, then you can have an IPA with national government. But our position, we are not fighting for bursaries. But whatever that is involved, let it actually be done by counties. And that is the only way that will be complying with the Constitution and also be seen to be supporting devolution.